Subscribe to Get Curried and press on the bell icon to get regular updates on recipes. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Many a times we want to eat something really nice, tasty, and yet it should be easy to cook. So today I'm going to show you one recipe which is quick and yet very delicious, which is called the Sukha Chicken. For that, I'm going to take 1.5 cup of fresh grated coconut, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And I'm going to roast this lightly till the coconut turns slightly brown. The coconut is nicely roasted brown. I'm going to just transfer this into a grinding jar. Now in the same kadai, I'm going to heat a teaspoon of ghee and I'm going to saute 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 inch cinnamon, 15 black pepper, 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds and 10 fenugreek seeds. And now I'm going to add 20 red dry chillies and I'm going to roast this for a few seconds or a minute probably. These whole garam masalas are leaving a lovely fragrance. Let's shut off the flame. Add this to the coconut, cumin seeds and garlic. And now let's grind this to a nice fine paste. I'm going to add some water to this. Our masala is ready. Let's get on with the recipe. I've kept a kadai to heat over here. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. To this I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic that I have crushed. I'm going to fry this for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add 2 onions, medium-sized onions, finely chopped. And I'm going to saute this till it's nice and golden. The onion has turned golden. I'm going to add a kilo of chicken to this. And I'm going to saute this on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. To this I'm going to add the ground paste. I'm going to saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add some salt to this, some water, but not much because we don't want a thin gravy. And now I'm going to just simply cover this and cook it till the chicken is ready. We've kept the chicken to cook for almost 20 minutes and it is almost ready. And so we're going to prepare the garnish. For this I'm going to take a tablespoon of ghee, melt it in a pan. I have an onion that I have sliced. I'm going to saute this till it's nice golden brown. The onions are also ready. Our chicken is ready as well. I'm going to remove this chicken in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish it with these onions. and some finely chopped coriander leaves. This dish goes very well with a paratha or a chapati. You can have it with a nice warm coconut milk rice as well. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.